Hey, how are you, everyone? Linda Borgie
Thank you. And you?
from
look at the girl.
the Harmony Yard, and we are live on Facebook. Oh, he ran away now. Linda from Farm Yard, and I'm here in Brooksville, Florida, and I am gardening with children for the first time in so long. And isn't it funny that it is the first day of spring? Let me flip the camera around. What are we doing today, girls? We're farming a yard, but what are we planting? Say it louder, honey.
Beets.
Why are we planting beets, honey? Why? It's a root day. See? We love to farm a yard, though, don't we, girls? Alrighty, I told them we would go live on Facebook. Farming a yard here in Brooksville, Florida at Mr. G's Eggplant Factory. Catch you on the flip side, and until then, grow healthy, people!